Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our lesson number 10 of grammar book, Verbs Transitive and Intransitive. But before telling about transitive and intransitive verbs, I would tell you about sentence and order of sentence. As you know, sentence is a group of words. And what is the proper order? Subject plus verb plus object. Now let's see what is subject. Subject is the person or thing that does something. For example, she likes cat. In this sentence, here she is a pronoun and she is performing the action of liking. Remember, subject may be noun or pronoun. Then verb, what is a verb? A word that expresses an action, occurrence or state of being. Example, she likes cats. Here, likes is verb. Now, what is object? A person or thing that receives the action of a verb is called object. Again, the object is a person or thing. It is always a noun or pronoun. See the example. She likes cats. Here cats are objects. Let's understand through another example. Here Rocky plays guitar. Rocky is a subject who is doing action. What action? Action of playing. Here action of playing is performed by Rocky. And action happening on what? Action of playing is happening on guitar. So guitar will be object. Remember, subject is the doer of action and object is the receiver of action. And both are noun or pronoun. Let's take one another example. The fruit fell on the line. Here again, what is the action? Fell. And who performs the action? The fruit. So, the fruit is performing the action, doing the action. So, it is subject. And the fruit fell on what? Action happening on the line. So, it will be object. Remember, subject is the doer of action or about which something is said. First of all, you will have to find the verb, then check who is performing the action, and then check who is receiving the action. Let's take few more examples. The boy barks at the boy. So first example is the dog barks at the boy. Again, who is first find out the verb? Verb is barks. Who is barking? The dog. And where the action is going on? At the boy. So dog is subject, bark is verb, object is boy. And the dog and the boy both are noun. Let's take another example. He writes a letter. Writes. Write is a verb. Who writes? He. And what writes? Letter. So he will be subject and letter will be object. Meera called her. What is the action here? Called. Who called? Meera. To whom she called? Her. So Meera is subject and her is object. So I tell you easy way to find the subject of a verb. How? To find the subject of a verb, we ask the question, what plus verb plus predicate. Now example, Samrat plucks flower. Who plucks flower? You will get the answer Samrat. So Samrat will be subject. Or you can ask who is doing the action of plucking. So you will get the answer Samrat. And to find the object of a verb, we ask the question what or whom after the verb. What or whom after the verb. Like Samrat plucks flower. Samrat plucks what? So you will get answer flowers. So flowers will be object. So in this way you can replace what or who at the place of subject or object and can find out the subject or object. Now let's take the back exercise of your chapter. First one is I found a watch. So first, who found watch? I. So I is subject. And what found? Watch. So watch will be object. Next one, children sing songs. Who sing song? Children. So children will be subject. What sing? Songs. So songs will be object.